गोंय वैजकी हॉस्पिटलांत सामान्य मनशाक कटकट करिनासतना बऱ्यो सुविधा दियात अशी सुचोवणी भलायकी मंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकारान दोतोर आनी हेर कर्मचाऱ्यांक दिल्या. सांत आंद्रेचे आमदार विष्णू सुर्या वाघा बरोबर पार्सेकारान बिरेस्तारा मेडिकलाची पळोवणी केली. वशिलो नाशिल्ल्या लोकांकूय बऱ्यो सुविधा मेळूंक जाय अशी शिटकावणी पार्सेकारान कर्मचाऱ्यांक दिल्या.
जास्तीत जास्त लोकांक बऱ्यांत बऱ्यो सुविधा मेळच्यो म्हाका सुपर स्पेशलिटीची बंडलां मारच्या पेक्षा ज्यो हांगा सुविधा आसात त्यो सामान्यांतल्या सामान्या पर्यंत बऱ्या पद्दतीन कश्यो मेळटल्यो हाचो म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो. ताच्या खातीर मंत्र्यान किंवा आमदारान फोन करची आवश्यकता पडची ना. म्हाका येतकीर जितल्यो सुविधा मेळटात त्योच सामान्य मनशाक मेळूंक जाय हाच्या खातीर म्हजो प्रयत्न आसतलो. पीपल इन जनरल आर नॉट दॅट हॅपी इफ माय फादर or my mother or my brother is sick. I am not that confident. I don't feel like coming to GMC. This is the general tendency of people. That has to be changed. नेग्लिजन्साचे आरोप आसात, प्रायवेट प्रॅक्टीस करता म्हणून आरोप आसा. हांगा काम करत आसतना हांगासरल्या पेशंटाक इनडायरेक्टली भायर येवपाच्यो सूचना हांगा जावच्या ना. भायर आल्यार बेगीन अशा स्वरुपाचे काही केसीस आयकूंक येतात. हांवें आज म्हज्या पयले दिसाच्या इंटरॅक्शनांत हांवें सादारणपणे ह्यो गोश्टी अवॉयड जावंक जाय ही हांवें सूचना दिल्ली आसा.
थारायल्ल्या प्रमाण लुसोफोनिया गेम्स 2013 जातल्यो असो विश्वास एसएजीन उक्तायला. सरकारान ह्यो गेम्स 2013 घेवपाक उमेद दाखयल्या अशें प्रभुदेसायान प्रुडंटाक सांगलां. सरकार नॅशनल गेम्साच्या नियोजनाचेर फेरनिया घेवपाची दाट शक्यताय आसा. तशें जाल्यार नॅशनल गेम्स 2015 मेरेन फुडें वचपाक शकता. सध्या लुसोफोनिया गेम्सांचेर सरकारान भर दिला. एसएजी आनी गोंय ऑलिंपिक संघटनेन गोंयांत येवपा आशिल्ल्या शिष्टमंडळा कडेन बसका घेवपाची तयारी चलयल्या.
SAG and GOA has made a joint kind of assessment for submission to the ECOLOC committee, which will meet on 31st. So we are with the new government in place, we are quite hopeful. We have had preliminary discussions with the Honorable CM, and he is quite optimistic that we will be able to complete the infrastructure in time. We'll be able to hold good games.
The Lusophonia Games, would it be possible then 2013, because he's saying national games could be held in 2015 by reviewing the entire thing and doing it in a nicer way. So 2013 the same infrastructure will have to be used for national games, and we're just looking at maybe 1.5 years time. Are you positive of the infrastructure getting ready in time?
Yes, about 3-4 stadiums which will be made for national games, or rather made for Lusophonia games, would be, as you have said, utilized for the national games. So 1.5 years is a good time nowadays with the latest machinery in place and the technical know-how. The engineers, the architects nowadays are able to complete this kind of projects. They are not major stadiums. Okay. There are 1 or 2 indoor stadiums and renovation of Nehru Stadium. So things are possible.
Okay. And volleyball, I think, would be one of the sports at the Lusophonia Games, which was going to be acquired in Shiroda, the land, with the then GOA.
So now we say that it could be possibly held at Goa University, wherein the Goa University has agreed to part with some land for raising the basketball stadium, indoor stadium. So it could be basketball come volleyball stadium.
Okay. So
for the Lusophonia Games.
Okay. And what about the Shiroda idea of?
Shiroda, at the moment, we have shelved that idea.
Okay.
So.
But you are confident of the Lusophonia games happening 2013?
Yeah, the way things are happening and the way the government has assured full support, things are possible, quite possible.
धेंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लबाक हरोवन स्पोर्टिंग क्लब दी गोवान तासा गोवा अंडर-20 फुटबॉल सर्त जिखली. टाय ब्रेकराचेर स्पोर्टिंगान 4-8-2 गोलांनी जैत जोडलें. रेग्युलेशन टायमान दोनूय पंगडांनी प्रत्येकी 1 गोल मारिल्लो. ही फायनल बिरेस्तारा सांजे कळंगुटे जाली.
Tiebreaker, no problem. The boys gave their best. Happy with the performance. Then it's anybody's game. We have to look ahead for the future.
Age groups, I mean, we have got 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. We have got dedicated coaches. I mean, boys also dedicated with their effort. So both are, I mean, coaches Pascual and Severin. Okay, credit goes to them. Also our goalkeeping coach Sabi. So also, I mean, from the management side, we have always been encouraging the youth. Okay, like I would like our club to be known as a, professional academy as such. Like most of the boys know, all the junior boys. Whoever performs well, they automatically get a chance in the senior team. We, give first preference to our junior boys and promote them to our senior team. So that gives them the incentive to play harder.
We won, thanks to God, we won today because of our team and our support from manager, president, and especially thanks to our coach, who they helped us very much. And a big thanks to my colleagues who played with me, and they worked very hard for the victory.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्यो आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in ह्या वेबसायटीचेर पळोवंक मेळटल्यो. घडटात तश्यो बातम्यो जाय जाल्यार तुमी आमचो ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा फॉलो करात. www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेरय तुमकां आमच्यो बातम्यो वाचूंक मेळटल्यो. आनी इतल्यान हें खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावत प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.